Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I will be installing a lace wig, and this one is from Luvme here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and see what I have in here. Okay, so with the hair I got this stocking cap. It comes with two pieces in it. And I also have this cute little pouch that has some more stuff in it. Let's see what's in there. Oh, look at that. I got another one of those mirrors. So here we go. This is the mirror. You just easily slide it in. Has their name on it at the top right there, and you easily pull it out. I also got an edge scarf. I may use this one today, I'm not sure, we'll see. This is a edge brush that I got in there too. This is the hair inside of this drawstring bag. Came nicely packed for me. Okay, here it is. And it has something attached to it. I'm gonna take that off in a second. That's the band that's gonna go on it right here, and attached to this side also. So this is their undetectable lace glueless 4x4 closure bob wig, and the knots on it is pre-bleached, as you can see. It's also looking pre-plucked to me. I'm actually excited that it is a glueless wig because I love me some glueless wig. I just put them on, take them off, and go whenever I want. So I'm actually excited that it's glueless wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my mannequin and flat iron it, fix it up how I want it before I put it onto my head, because I already know what I'm gonna need to do to it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this because I gotta train the hair how I want it. Right now it's not looking like a cute little bob, it's just looking crazy. Like my mannequin just woke up this morning and just decided to step out without fixing up her hair. I'm gonna be using this flat iron I got off of Amazon, I believe. It's a Baby Bliss flat iron. And I just go over it 2 times the most. Okay guys, so I'm done with flat iron the hair, and I really like the way it looks. But up here I have some flyaway hairs on it going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this on the top, and this will keep down these flyaway hair. Another thing I like to do with the wax stick is I rub it into my hand like that, then I rub it up and I put it over the entire hair. And this is gonna just keep all these flyaway hair from popping out in places that I don't want them to, and it's also gonna make it look really nice and silky. So yeah, that's how I do it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it onto my hair so you guys can see what it looks like. But before I do that, I'm gonna also add some foundation to my stocking cap. So you guys gonna see me do that in a second. So I already have my stocking cap on. I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation right here, since I got a middle part on the wig, to make it look more natural. This is the foundation that I'm gonna be using today. Is from CoverGirl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. I have it right over here on my mannequin. We're gonna see what this looks like. I didn't cut the lace off of it yet. I will do that momentarily. I'm just not ready yet. Okay. It feels loose on my head, which means I'm gonna be using the band that came with it, because I'm gonna need it to be tighter than this. And I'm also gonna cut the lace off when I take it back off. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna take it back off, cut the lace off, and add the elastic band. And this is the band right here. It's adjustable. This is what came on the wig, so I'm gonna need that if I'm not gonna glue it down. Okay, so I added the elastic band and I also cut the lace on, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. OMG. And now it's sitting on my head like it's supposed to, right where I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I mean, I really don't need to, but I want to. So I'm gonna cut them to about brow length right here. And I'm gonna use my mousse to lay it down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down and leave it to dry. So I am absolutely satisfied with the way it looked. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back, guys, to show you the finished look. Hey guys, I'm back to show y'all the finished look of the hair with, you know, my makeup done and all. I am feeling flawless. I feel like I did a great job with the makeup, and the hair is so nice. Like, everything is just giving what it's supposed to be giving. This is the back, guys. This is what it looks like. I don't know, really cute. This is a glueless wig. I did not glue this down. I would put a comb up under it so you guys could see. Let's see. I didn't really want to move it, but there we go. See that? That's not glued down at all. And it's just sitting on my head like it was made for me. I love it. I absolutely love it. Without the elastic band that's in there though, it wouldn't fit as great. So definitely when you get yours, if it's too loose, put your elastic band in there and it will be perfect. You could adjust it how you want it, so that's good too. I put it to the tightest part of it. This ain't moving. Look at that. Don't move, sis. It does not move. I did make a tutorial for the makeup look that I'm wearing. It will be posting soon, hopefully, because sometimes I don't get to post these makeup videos just because of how much work I'm doing. So please forgive me, or you know how my life gets sometimes. Anyway, if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if it's your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.